Here I have Infinix Zero 5 and let me show you how to accomplish here the hard reset, and let me show you how to bypass pattern, password or other screen lock method on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Now slide to power off, let's wait a couple of seconds. Then hold down together this combination of keys, power key and volume down. So keep holding both keys, power key and volume down. Release both keys as soon as Infinix logo pops up. And this is the factory mode, so here we can navigate by using volume down. Let's scroll down here to choose factory data reset and press power button to confirm it. The phone is formatting all personal data and customized settings. Let's wait until the operation will be completed. Do not interrupt while the process is running. Excellent, as you can see, the welcome panel just pops up and there is no pattern or a password, so you can start easily activate your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.